Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, yes, yes. I am looking. Immediate joiner. Yeah, tomorrow is my last working day. Yes, yes. Overall, I have 5.3 years of experience in IT industry, out of which 4.3 in AEM and 1 year in Java. 4.5 currently I am taking. Two companies are in pipeline. 10 LPA. Yes. Near Matal, BM layout. Yeah, yeah, no issue. No issue. Yes. Okay. Sure, sure. Yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, hello. I think my voice is audible now. Okay, fine. Yeah. So basically, so the first question is, what are the prerequisites for the AM? So generally, like AM is the tools where before going to start the AM, what are the prerequisites you have? The thing is, first thing is Java, which means core Java. So in the core Java, you will be get the clarity on how to write the program and what is Java program, and the basic fundamentals you will get the clarity on core Java, like how what is Java program and how we can run the Java programs and what are the oops concepts and all. You will get some clarity on core Java, and you should be have some knowledge on advanced Java. In that you should be have the knowledge on servlets and all. You should be have the knowledge on it. Okay, these are the two prerequisites for AM. Once you are familiar with these two concepts, one is core Java and second one is the advanced Java, then you are eligible for the AM. You are eligible for the AM. Okay, fine. So generally, AM is the tool. Before going to start the AM, we'll try to understand about CMS tool. CMS tool. So generally, if you take any website, for example, any website, generally I would like to take like a Myntra.com. Yeah, any website, how we can design any website from scratch level? We can design any website using, we can write the HTML, and HTML will give the basic structure of any page, any website, and CSS are the designs which will give a good feel and look to the website. Okay, so JavaScript, it will give dynamic nature to the website. Okay, now, so here, generally here we try to understand there are two scenarios. One is with CMS and second one is without CMS. So we'll try to understand first one is without CMS tool. So without CMS tool, if you want to develop any, we can if you want to develop any website, if you want to develop any website, any website, we need to write code from the scratch, code from the scratch, meaning we need to write the I would say CSS, HTML, everything we need to write from the scratch. No, okay, fine. We need to write everything from the scratch, and it will take more time. No, so everything we need to write I would say through code base, it will take more time. The next point is it will take more time. Next point is it will take more time. So obviously it is taking more time, meaning it will take more cost as well. It will take more cost as well. So these are the some drawbacks when we go ahead with the hard coding. So because of this issue, so we have the tools how we can overcome. These are the three issues. What are the issues? Everything we need to write from the scratch, and if everything we can write from scratch through code base, it will take more time. So time taking meaning, so obviously cost is also more. So how you can overcome above issues? We can overcome above issues using CMS tools. CMS tools. What does it mean by CMS tools? CMS meaning content management system tool. So what does it mean by CMS tool? Content management system tool. Okay. So what is the purpose of CMS tools? So without writing any code, we can develop websites. So CMS tool, which is used to create the content, I can say manage, and I could say update the content without writing any code from the scratch. I hope you guys are clear with my words, right? So generally, CMS is the tool and which is used to create, manage, and update the content without writing any code. So if you can see here, let us come to here. There is the website now, Mintra website. Any website, not only this website, any website you can easily create by using CMS tool. So in the market, how many CMS tools are available? For example, we can look for that CMS tools available in the market. So you will get the, so see, these many tools are available in the market. Joomla, WordPress, Drupal, Shopify, Wix, HubSpot, Contentful, Magneto, Squarespace, Typo3, Webflow, BigCommons. These many tools are available, which means there are a lot of tools available in the market. So along with AIM is also one CMS tool. So the next point is there are number of CMS tools available in the market. There are number of CMS tools available in the market. So in that, AIM is also one CMS tool. Are you guys clear with my statement? So what I would say, what I am saying here, this is the tool now. I would say without the CMS tool, it will take more time. How you can overcome the above three issues, you can overcome by using CMS tool. So there are, how many tools are available? There are number of tools available in the market. There are number of tools available in the market. There are number of tools. How, where you can see, simply you can go to the Chrome and you can look with the I would say sentence called CMS tool available in the market. So see, you will get complete list of them. Okay, fine. Now you can overcome. So without writing any code itself, you can uh, we can build the website. That is okay. Okay, fine. Now you can get the clarity. What is CMS tool? CMS is the tool which is used to create, manage, and update the content without writing any code from the scratch. There are number of CMS tools available in the market. Example, Drupal, WordPress, okay, etc. Along with AIM is the one tool. Okay, AIM is also one of the CMS tool. Now the question is, what is AIM? So if anyone will ask, like if you attend any interview, so most of them, what I observed when I'm taking the interviews, basically if I ask like them, what is CMS tool, can you please explain, what they will tell, general answer, uh, like when I'm taking the interviews, I face these are the answers. They tell simply abbreviation. CMS is the content management system. And then they stop answering the question. They stop answering. And if I ask like what is AM, this question also I ask so many of them. So some of them how they answered for this question. They simply they tell abbreviation for this one, and they are thinking that is the answer. If I ask what is AM, AM is the Adobe Experience Manager. That is the abbreviation. I'm not asking abbreviation. Adobe Experience Manager. Okay. Yeah. So the definition for this AM is the tool. AM is the CMS tool. AM is the CMS tool which is used to which is used to build, manage, and manage and deploy the website. Deploying the website, building, managing, and deploying the websites and its related services. Deploying the websites and its related services and its related services. Okay, and which is made up with three layers layers like Apache, I would say OGA, and Apache Sling and JSR Okay, so this is all about AM. What is AM? AM is the CMS tool which is used to build, manage, and deploy the website and its related services, which is made up with three layers. Three layers like OAJ, Apache Sling, and JSR. Okay, fine. Now, with the help of AM, we can able to create any of the website because AM is also one of the CMS tool, and AM is also one of the CMS tool. We can able to create whatever the things we can able to do with the help of CMS tools. The same thing we can able to do with the help of AM as well. With the help of AM as well. So here some of the advantages with the AM is we can update the content, and here zero downtime. So these are the some of the features which is having okay. I hope you got the clarity what is AM, what are the prerequisites for the AM. Okay, so the prerequisite for the AM is core Java and advanced Java. And what is CMS tool? Without CMS tool, like can we able to create any website? So we can create, but it will take more time. No, so in IT industry, time is also very important. So taking more timing, we need to give the salaries to the employees. So we need to make sure as soon as possible we need to complete the website of CMS tool and AM. Okay, so this is the basic of the AM. Here I would tell few more points about the. I can open the AM PPT, so through that you can try to understand few of other topics as well. There is. I have the resources folder. So in that I kept all the PPTs, everything all about this one. There is a resource file. So in that resource file, I kept all the documents. Resource file. Where is resource file? Source. The resource file. I kept all the things. In the desktop itself, you can check. Resource file. Okay, I can go. There is a resource file. So in that I kept all the documents. Quick start, AM, admin, check, UI front end. In that document, I mentioned I kept all the PPTs which are related to that. Um, there, how, drive. So these are the topics generally from day 1 to day 37. These are the topics generally going forward will be covered. Introduction, installation, aim component, dynamic templates. All the concepts I will be covered. Client leaves, dialog, site leave, project setup, Sling resource manager, rich text, experience fragment, content fragment, OJ component service, OK 6.5 run modes. Everything I will be covered. Sling servlets, event handlers. Next, event Sling schedulers, core components, query builder. Everything I will be covered. Okay, everything I will be covered. If we go with the here. Yeah, so this is the thing of AM, and so here the next question is how to set up the AM. How to set up the AM? So for setting the AM and all, I will share all the jar which I have. So this is my drive now. In the drive, I have all the tools which are required for the AM. So I'm sharing. This is the link which I'm adding in the chat box. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so in the AIM setup, there are two things we need to consider. First one is what is author instance, and the second one is what is publish instance. What is publish instance? Okay, so first we'll try to understand what is author instance and how to set up author instance and all. We'll try to understand author instance, which is used to create and update the content, update and manage the content which will be published in the future, which will be published in the future, which will be published in the future. Okay, the default port number is 4502 4502. Okay, and the next so how to set up author instance, how to set up author instance. So like wherever you have the space, you can create drive, you can create one folder. So in my case I will be create, and I am mentioning like am 22, like this I am creating. So, AM22. Okay, so in that you can create one more folder, create one more folder and mention the name called author, mention the name called author. Okay, inside the author the same thing I will note down on the here. So create one am folder, create one folder wherever you have the space, you have the space the in your system. Okay, next point is inside the am folder, inside am folder create one author folder, create one author folder. Okay, inside the author folder keep .jar file and license file, license file. Okay, so you can download the .jar file and license file which I shared with you. This is the jar file. You can download the jar file from here which I'm sharing, and license file also I'm sharing here, so you have to download this as well. The both things you can download. One is the license file and the second one is the .jar file. Both you can download. Okay, both you can download. So simply I am downloading the .jar file. It is downloading, and you in your case also you can do the same process. Whatever the steps I am doing. So in your case also you can do the same thing. Jar file I am downloading, and then there is a license file also. No, you can download the license file as well. Okay, two things. One is the jar file and second one is the license file. This is 532 MB, so you have to download that one and the license file as well. Download this license file as well. This is also downloading, so you can copy these two. Okay, and then you can keep inside author folder. This is the author folder, no? So the where you can keep inside those. Okay, yeah. Now you have to rename. This is already renamed. You can rename. 4502.jar, and here also you can change to license.properties. Okay, yeah. Now you can double click on the jar file. So when you double click on the jar file, so automatically the kickstart folder will be created. crxe-quickstart folder will be created automatically, and your aim instance also will be opened. Okay, I am going to the text document. So inside the author folder, keep .jar file and license file, and next so rename jar file to am-author p4502 .jar. Okay, .jar, and double click on the .jar file, then aim instance will open. Okay, this is one way to open. Okay, I hope this is clear now how to set up author instance, create aim folder wherever you have the space, and inside the aim folder create a author folder, and inside the author folder keep .jar file and license file, rename .jar file to am author p4502.jar, and double click on the .jar file, then aim instance will open. Okay, so it is opening. The same way, the next question is, what is publish instance? This is the question now. What is publish instance? So the publish instance means, the definition for the publish instance is publish instance which is used to make our designed application available to the public, or you can say end user. So here the default port number is 4503 is the default port number. So for publish instance, no need any credentials, no need any credentials, but in case of author instance, here we need credentials. We need credentials. But in case of author instance, no need. Next heading is how to set up publish instance. How to set up publish instance. So we can set up the publish instance. First point is inside the AM folder. Inside the AM folder, keep again .jar file and license file. License file. Here the next point is inside AM folder, create publish folder. Inside the publish folder, keep .jar file and license file. So third one is rename .jar file to am-. So here the name is, if you see here, here the name you can mention like as am. This is opening where I would come to here. There is a am folder which we have. So see here, am publish 4502. This is the name and convention we have to give. Come to here, am publish 4503 .jar. This is the name we have to give. Okay, and fourth one. So double click on the am instance, double click on the jar, then am publish instance will open. Am publish instance will open. So this is the thing. This is the setup. Next question is how to establish the connection between author instance and publish instance. Author instance and publish instance. So make sure when you are making the connection between author instance and publish instance, make sure you have to open two instances in your system. One is author instance, second one is the publish instance. You have to make sure you have to open two instances. One is the author instance and second one is the publish instance. Now I am taking too much time. So it will ask, it will sign in, it will ask the credentials. You can give the credentials, username as admin and password is also admin. That is also the point which I can mention here. And it will ask username and password. Here I am giving username admin and password is also admin. Okay, this is the thing. Click on this, then you can able to log in. This is the AM dashboard. This is the AM dashboard. AM sites, experience fragment, assets, forms, screens, personalization, commerce, communities. This is the tools. Okay, these are all the options you will be having. So this is which instance? This is 4502 author instance. Then how you can set up publish instance? The same thing. So simply go to your AM folder. Inside the AM folder, create one more folder called publish folder. So simply create one more folder called publish folder, and then inside the publish folder you can keep the .jar file and license file which you already downloaded. No, this is the downloads. So in that, go to, this is the both, you can copy from there, you can come to here inside this folder, you can keep both files. Okay, so I am keeping here. Okay, here also you have to rename. Dodger, and this is the publish, and the port number is 4503, and here the license, this is also license dot properties, license dot properties, everything is, make sure everything is matters, space, capitalization, everything is matters. Go to the downloads, license dot properties. Okay, now how you can open the this license dot properties? Go to our publish instance, double click on this. So here there is more space, we have open properties, remove that space, save. Now you can double click on that. Then now this is what, this is publish instance. Now this is publish instance. Okay, so it is also take some time. So until we can go to the author instance. So in this author instance, this is the author instance. No, so here I can go to, they will give one predefined one website to us, that I am opening. You can go with all the options, and then you can try to understand how they designed each page, and also however they design the predefined the project. This is the predefined project which they given to us. So however they design this project, so same way we can coming days we can develop our own way as well. So for example, this is the page, surfing in Lofotech, Arctic surfing in Lofotech. If I'm trying to open edit the page, so generally today what you will do, uh, set up author instance and set up publish instance. Okay, take the screenshot of author instance, this is the one screenshot, and take the screenshot of author instance and publish instance, the both screenshot you can take, and that this is the author instance 4502. Okay, that you can take the screenshot of that, and then that you can uh, update in the WhatsApp, so through that I can get the clarity where you are. Okay, so which you will be completed or not, I can get the clarity. If you stuck anywhere while doing any assignment, you can take that where you had stuck, you can take screenshot of that, you can ping me, I can help you in that case. I can help you in that case. So I can complete the this syllabus as soon as possible. So make sure from my side I am ready anytime. So in your side, only the thing is assignments. Okay, for example, if I given the assignment just right now, if you complete this assignment within 2 hours or 3 hours, then I can get the clarity, oh you are done with your assignment. So after that I will be take again 2 hours of sessions, and then I can uh, as soon as possible I can able to complete. The thing is from my side no issue, I can complete all the syllabus based on your performance. If you are complete the assignment uh, I would say within 2 hours also I can take 9 to 11. I can complete other the topics whatever we have. Okay. So, but assignments are mandatory. If you complete these assignments only, then only I can start the next. Because why? Because every topic is linked with the previous topic. If you complete the previous session, then only you are comfortable at the next topic. Okay. So make sure assignments are mandatory. You can take the screenshot of it and then you can ping in the WhatsApp to assignments are mandatory. So that's today. We'll meet on next tomorrow. I will meet on next session after your completion of this assignment. Assignments are mandatory. Okay. So yeah, thank you. Any queries you have, you can let me know. Any queries? So this video also available in this YouTube channel, Digital Tech Soft Solutions. So all the videos I will be uploaded to this ITV YouTube channel also. So